Hey guys, happy Monday. I hope that you had an amazing weekend and I hope that your week is off to a great start so far. I thought I would kick off the week with a late video. This is my Boxycharm unboxing for August 2018. I was actually going to skip it because I got my box so late. I think it just got held up at the post office, but I asked you guys on Instagram and the majority of you said that you still wanted to see it on my channel even though the video was late. So I thought I would film it for those of you that were interested. If you guys are not familiar, Boxycharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription service. So you get 4 to 5 full-size products in the box every month, and the value of the box is over $100. So if you like what you see in the August box, you can actually get this one. I'll put their website in the description box below. And I saw that Boxycharm is doing a new luxe version of their subscription service. So every few months you can choose to upgrade and get a higher value box. I only saw a quick video on it, but I'll put more information in the pinned comment and I would love to hear your thoughts. I did see a lot of spoilers this month because my video's a little bit late. So I saw that everybody was getting a full-sized Smashbox lipstick, which is awesome. I love their always on liquid lipsticks. They're one of my favorite formulas. So I don't know if they were including those or just their regular lipsticks and then their actual liquefied lipsticks, but I also really enjoy these. I'm actually wearing one today, which I did not plan on. I am wearing the shade Latte, which comes in a matte finish, but I'm also wearing it on top of a Too Faced lipstick. This one is their shade Overexposed, but I really enjoy the formula. I got the shade Bombastic, which looks like a pink. I go through these weird phases where I like pinks and then I don't like pinks, so I ended up decluttering a lot of the pink lipsticks from my collection, so it could be good that I got this one in the mail. It is a really fun color. It's not a shade that I wear a whole lot, but at the same time, I don't know, it could be fun to step outside my comfort zone and do something a little bit different. And I've been all about regular traditional lipstick formulas these days rather than liquid lipsticks. I did get some false lashes by the brand House of Lashes. I saw that this variation was a little bit different, so you could either get lashes or you could get a full-sized Tarte mascara, and the Tarte Lifted mascara is my current favorite. It's my go-to. I'm not wearing it today because I think I discovered a new favorite, but that one's my favorite for days when I want more natural lashes. And then the third variation, I think, was a Becca face primer. But I was reading a lot of comments about people who did not want the lashes, and I personally don't really wear false lashes. I will say that the style Siren is really pretty. If I was going to wear false lashes, these are the ones that I would wear. Maybe I'll keep them and try them out. I just don't wear them because I'm lazy, and it's been a journey to embrace my natural lashes because I used to wear false lashes all the time. So now I just don't really bother with them. So I'll probably end up passing them along to somebody else. Okay, the next thing in here is actually a cuticle oil, which I am excited about. This one is Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. My nails are in the worst shape ever. My husband even was like, what's going on with your nails, because we're both nail biters and mine look worse than his, and that never happened. So let me just test this. I thought I broke the habit in 2018 and then I fell back into it, and I have to do better. I know people get on me about it, but you guys, it's a bad habit. If I could break it, I totally would. I'm working on it. This oil feels really nice. It sinks into the skin. It's not overly oily, and I'm going to paint my nails after this video because usually when they're painted, I don't bite them. It's to the point where it's painful and it's just ugly. So keep me accountable, you guys. Next month when I do my Boxycharm video, I promise they're going to be longer. Okay, the next thing in here is an eyeshadow palette, and I'm actually excited about this product. I think that people are going to go either way depending on what type of eyeshadows you typically wear, but it is the Party Animal palette by Laura Lee Los Angeles. I've never tried anything from this brand, but I know a lot of people are sick of the neutral eyeshadow palettes, and I love neutral eyeshadow palettes, but I do play with color as well, and this one is so colorful and fun. It's even brighter in person than I thought it was going to be, so let me just swatch these. A few of you guys were messaging me on Instagram last night after I asked you if I should post the video, and if some of you guys were saying you didn't like the eyeshadows, some of you were saying they were getting mixed reviews. This darker blue shade is not swatching well at all. The yellow and the greenish blue went on really nicely. Those swatched nicely. This blue one, it feels very dry. It's not swatching nice at all. Let me swatch the other three. I mean, swatches, of course, are not always the most accurate representation of how shadows will apply, but I think it does give you a pretty good idea. These three, wow, these are really beautiful. These three swatched a lot better. And this purple one, Oh my gosh, I wish I was wearing this today. It's like a satin, but it has a little bit of like a blue sheen to it. It's absolutely beautiful. The pink is really beautiful. It has glitter mixed in, and the orange is really smooth and creamy. So those three swatched beautifully. I mean, the only one that I had trouble with swatch-wise was the blue one. I don't try the Boxycharm products on because I like to get my videos up as soon as possible, but because my video is already so late, I should have just tried these products on for you today. But I am going to plan on reviewing it on my channel because I usually do like a 4-in-1 review with eyeshadow palettes, and I'm doing the Anastasia Norvina, the Natasha Denona Mini Lila. There's another one that I want, so I'll make sure to include this one as well, but I'm excited to use it. I don't know if I'll get a ton of use out of the yellow, the orange, probably even the pink, but I'll definitely wear the blues and the purples, and I'll try the other colors. I think they're fun. So I'm excited they switched it up and did a more colorful palette. The next product in here is by the brand Bang Beauty, which I've never tried. Let me open it up. This is a chocolate gel liner. So I don't typically wear gel liner. I usually reach for liquid liner in like a pen form, but I've been wearing brown liner a lot, and when I do wear brown liner, I just take a liner brush and eyeshadow, and I don't wing it out or anything. So I think this could be a fun option just because it's a little bit more subtle. These are by the brand Wander Beauty. They are the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. So they gave me 3 of them, which is awesome. We got so many products this month, but these are supposed to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. I don't really get into these very much, but as winter rolls around, my skin does get a little bit dry, especially around the eye area, really only around the eye area. So these could actually come in handy. So that is everything I got in my box this month. I do feel like it was a good box, but again, it wasn't my favorite box. I've been saying that a lot lately, but for a while, every box was my favorite, and every single month they outdid themselves for me personally. And I feel like lately the boxes have been good, but a little bit underwhelming. That's just how I honestly feel. But I know a lot of people are like never disappointed in Boxycharm, which I think is great. My favorite product is definitely the Party Animal eyeshadow palette because I don't think I would have typically purchased this for myself. So it's kind of fun to get something that I wouldn't typically buy, but I'm still excited to use. Did you love it? Were you not a fan? I got the feeling from the majority of you that I was chatting with on Instagram that you weren't the biggest fan of the box this month, but I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.